Have you lost your growth in your field? Have you noticed that growing pastures is getting harder? It's due to missing beneficial fungi. Now, these aren't any type of fungi. These are fuel cells, and they're actually fuel cells that support the nutrient density in your soils. If you want to grow more abundantly and vigorously and grow abundantly for yields and years to come, then contact Earthlove Global on Google or Instagram and Facebook. We are the pasture myco restoration specialists of the Sunshine Coast.